In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mark email as personal, private, or confidential in Outlook. We'll walk through how to label a single message while you are writing it, and how to set a default sensitivity level for all emails you send in Classic Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each choice means. Start by opening Classic Outlook and creating a new email. With the new message window open, look at the Message tab on the ribbon. Find the Tags group and click the small diagonal arrow in the corner to open more options. In the dialog that appears, locate the sensitivity dropdown. Choose the label that fits your message, personal, private, or confidential. After you select it, close the dialog and continue composing. Outlook will stamp the message with that sensitivity, so recipients understand how to handle it. If you prefer a different route, you can do the same thing from File in the message window. Click File, then Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see the sensitivity drop-down. Pick your level there, then close the window and send your email as usual. Both paths lead to the same result, so use whichever feels faster for you. A quick note on what these labels do. They add an advisory header and may display a notice in the info bar for recipients, signaling how the message should be treated. They don't encrypt the content or physically block forwarding on their own. If your organization uses rights management or additional compliance tools, those policies may enforce restrictions. But the basic sensitivity setting is primarily guidance. If you'd like every message you send to start with a specific level by default, you can set that once and forget it. In Classic Outlook, go to File, then Options, and select Mail. Scroll to the Send Messages section. Find Default Sensitivity Level and choose the option you use most, such as Confidential. Click OK to save. From now on, new messages will carry that label automatically, and you can still change it per email if needed. If you don't see the sensitivity option, make sure you are in the Classic Outlook desktop app and that your message window is maximized so the Tags group is fully visible. Also, if your organization manages these settings, your available choices might be predefined. That's it. Thanks for watching.